If you have project admin permissions in BIM 360, you can quickly and easily upgrade Revit cloud models to newer versions, now including Revit 2021. Sign in to BIM 360 Document Management and select the project containing the models you want to upgrade. Switch to the Project Admin module, select the Services tab at the top, and then select the Revit Cloud Model Upgrade tab. If your project contains Revit files which have been initiated for collaboration with a previous release of Revit, you will be given the option to upgrade your Revit Cloud models without downloading them. If more than one release is available to upgrade, select the desired release. Select Test Upgrade to generate a detailed report of the changes that will occur during the upgrade process. Read and confirm the upgrade notes and then click Upgrade. Automated email notifications will be sent from BIM 360 to let you know the status of the upgrade process. Your upgraded Revit Cloud models will now appear in Revit Home. This feature greatly simplifies the Revit model upgrade process, making it easier for you to take advantage of the new and enhanced capabilities in Revit 2021.